And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create auto captions. All that we need for that is a simple audio clip. Let's put the clip in our timeline. Obviously you could put a video on top if you want, but in this case I don't need it to show the effect. Just switch to the captions layout. You can do so up here. And then click on transcribe sequence. The default should already be fine, but you can choose a language right here. In this case it's English. In most videos you want to keep these boxes unaffected to have the full video transcribed. And there's also a drop down to pick different audio channels. In my case I only have an audio file on audio channel 1, but you could pick different ones here or select the entire mix. Just confirm it, and it's going to take some time to process it in the background. But once it's done, you've got the transcription right here in this box. As long as you've got the captions layout still visible. You could adjust it right there, but let us create the captions. Just click on that icon. You're going to create from sequence transcript, and there are more options and drop downs. For the most part you just want to keep the defaults. So pick the subtitle for the format, and you could adjust what these subtitles look like. So if you want to have 1 line, 2 line, the minimum length of characters and so forth. As I've said, for the most part you want to keep the defaults, just click on OK. And it's perfectly synced to the audio file. It depends a little bit on your pronunciation. So in my case, I'm a foreigner. It doesn't get every word that I say because of my accent. But you can simply jump to this box, double click on the sentences, and you can change it right here. So for example, it didn't catch this word properly, so I'm going to fix that. And it's automatically fixed in my video sequence, so in the timeline down here. You could also adjust the style. You can pick these boxes one by one and change it. So let me, for example, change the style of the font to bold. And it's only the first box, but you can also select them all and then change the style, and it will be changed for all of your captions. And that's the basic process of creating these automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. As I've said, depending on your pronunciation you will have to adjust it and correct it a little bit, but it saves you a lot of time. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.